Hi, Larry Berman here, and here's what's on my shoulders this week. It's the Leafs! Happy St. Patrick's Day. Go Leafs go. What a victory. This is the year, folks. This is the year for the Leafs, not the stock market. Let's take a deep dive into the tape this week. The death cross, the 50-day average moved below the 200-day average. Everyone will know the death cross. Really, really ugly, right? Well, turns out that was the low. We've seen this pattern actually many, many times historically, where by the time the momentum turns in the market, we've already seen the depths of the sell-off. Our Pro Eyes indicators at the beginning of the week were very, very well set up for a ripping oversold rally. Nobody ever knows how intense it's going to be, how fast it goes. Obviously, Powell this week was really hawkish. So market rallied right up to the 200-day average, and so that makes this a really critical week to look at the internals. So, let's have a look here and see what happened today. And you look at the market breadth, and we closed out at the high of the week, and we just don't see compelling numbers. Sure, percentage of stocks across the board above their 10-day average. Looks good for the Dow, looks good for the S&P. Look at that, NASDAQ. Weak. Okay, so this rally here, how many stocks are overbought now? MACD buy signals, and the tape right now is not weak. So it needs to get stronger for this to be a lasting rally, and what fundamentally will cause that? And the answer is nothing. So what else happened this week? Well, K-Web. We saw an incredible move. The volatility in the options market is just absolutely wicked, off the charts. We've got a lot more bounce potential here on this tape. So here we are with K-Web, Chinese tech, an incredible sell-off just as the war's taking hold and concerns about China and everything else that could possibly go wrong, and delisting, and all of a sudden China comes out right here and says, no, don't worry, we got it, we're going to solve this problem, and we don't have to worry about the Foreign Company Act and all good, and the stocks start ripping. So at a very minimum, we should get back to this overhead resistance in here, somewhere in the upper 30s on K-Web. After that, it becomes tougher because then you kind of need the real fundamentals. Start to see some earnings come out. PDD comes out on Monday, Pinduoduo, and if there's good news there, we should see the continuation of this rally. Very tradable stocks right here. Is China investable? I don't know. JP Morgan this week, right at the low, said China's not investable. So you've got this incredible market developing right here. What else happened this week? Well, turns out that the meme stock AMC bought a gold company. Shoot me in the head. This is the stupidest move I've ever seen. I'm not one to criticize the C-suite here. I don't know what the motivation is here, but a movie chain company that absolutely trading at insane valuations comes along and buys a gold stock. Well, let's dig into it here and have a peek. Oh, turns out these guys make no money, and there's no prospect for them making money for several more years. I think you should maybe put the CEO in jail. I don't know. Anyways, guys trading this, good luck with it. This stock is possibly worth less than it was before. Oh my goodness. So the quality of this marketplace is frightening to me. You just trade it around. You just can't like what's going on here. So when it comes to, bull and bear pick of the week, again, I think I've got the trading hat on. I've got my Leafs shirt on. I'm in trading mode. Let's look for where the puck's going and let's get it there. So I love these Chinese tech stocks for a continued rally. NIO got to be one of the best plays for the next decade, and is cheap compared to where Tesla is. If you're into long short trades, you short Tesla with insane valuations here, massive overhead supply, and you go long NIO, bottom forming, incredibly oversold, and it's got a great future and compelling value. Have a great week, everyone.